In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Notion. If you want to use Notion in a different language, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can update the interface language without any confusion. To begin, go to your Notion page and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to make the change. This is important because language settings are usually adjusted from within your account or workspace settings. So starting from your main Notion page helps you get to the right menu right away. Once you're on your Notion page, look to the top left corner of the screen. There you'll see the space selector drop down for your account or workspace. Click on that top left drop down to open the menu. This area gives you access to workspace level options, including the settings you'll need for changing your language preferences. After the drop-down menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into the part of Notion where you can manage preferences and account-related options. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the settings area tied to your current workspace or profile. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Language and Time. In that section, you should see a language field with a drop-down selector next to it. Click on that language drop-down to view the available language options. This is where Notion lets you choose the display language for the app interface. Now, from the list that appears, click on the new language you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct option, especially if several languages in the list look similar or are written in their native form. Once you click your preferred language, Notion will prepare to apply the change. Finally, if Notion asks you to confirm the update, click Update. This confirms that you want to switch the interface to the new language. After that, the app should refresh or apply the change so you can start using Notion in your selected language. And that's all it takes. Go to your Notion page, open the top left space drop down, click Settings, open the language selector under Language and Time, choose your new language, and confirm by clicking Update. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to refresh. With that done, your Notion experience should now be set to the language you chose.